I'm obsessing over you. I'm obsessing over you.
The Grinch! Well, that worked out nicely.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. JC here with J Cosmetics. So it's getting closer to Christmas, so I kind of wanted to have a little fun with this video and do a Grinch tutorial. I haven't tried it before, so this is all going to be new. We're just going to wing it. So what I'll be using is this green body paint that I got from the party store. It was a little too dark, so I mixed it with some just white green makeup, and it kind of came up with this little, like a lighter green color here. And then I also have some eyeshadows. I'll probably be using the dark green right here and the black up here. It's just a little cheap eyeshadow palette that I had. You can use any green or black for this. And I also have some grease paint, black and a little darker green for the contouring. So those are what we'll be using, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Baby, picture you and me hanging around a Christmas tree, colored lights and an angel up above, Christmas of love. Baby, everywhere we go, bring a little mistletoe. We'll be hugging, we'll be kissing like two turtle doves, Christmas of love. Telling everyone Santa gonna come, have a lot of fun at Christmas time. Now he's on his way, everybody say, have a Merry Christmas of love. Baby, let it snow tonight, that'll be just right. Just imagine making out by the firelight, Christmas of love, Christmas of love. Telling everyone Santa gonna come, have a lot of fun at Christmas time. Now he's on his way, everybody say, have a Merry Christmas of love. Baby, make a little wish, then you put it on your list. Santa sends you everything you've been dreaming of, Christmas of love, Christmas of love, Christmas of love,
Christmas of love, Christmas of love, Christmas of love, Christmas of love,
Merry Christmas, baby.
Christmas of love, 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 Christmas of love.
The streets are filled with Christmas cheer. At least it's only once a year. Perfect parcels tied with perfect bows, and carols ringing in my ear. Bundled up against the cold, lines wherever gifts are sold. Each shop window displays a Christmas scene for everybody young and old. Icicles on eavesdrops and tinsel on the tree, but it's a green Christmas for me. Couple skating on the pond, making angels on the lawn. 5 red mittens drying on the rat, and needle shedding tannenbaum. Red bows on the railings and snowflakes on the ground, but it's a green Christmas in this town. Green, 'cause of everything I miss. this envy lift. Carolers are at my door. Don't wanna hear them anymore. Stockings on the mantle, it snows here every day, but it's a green Christmas anyway. Red nose on the reindeer, tinsel on the tree, but it's a green Christmas for me.
With this coat and this hat, I look just like Saint Nick. Ho, ho, ho!
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel.
You're as cuddly as a cactus and as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch.
You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel.
Just face the music, you're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Yes, you are.
Your heart's an empty hole.
Your brain is full of spiders. You got Gallagher's soul, Mr. Grinch. Well, I wouldn't touch you with a 39 and a half foot pole.
You know, if you ask the who's who of who there,
No one's denying.
You're a vile one, Mr. Grinch. You have termites in your smile
you have all the tender sweetness.
Of a seasick crocodile, Mr. Grinch. Given the choice between you, I'd take the seasick crocodile.
Judy, wish you guys a Merry Grinchmas. Bye. Thanks for watching.
I'm obsessing over you.